Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and today is the morning after the night I did the subframe. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, so I haven't had many hours sleep, and I'm ready to go again. I want to try and get this car rolling today, so I can get the car at the garage and give it a good clean up. So I'm going to go see if I've got any spare hubs anywhere, and go from there. So let's get this done. And as if by magic, I've struck gold because I've got a box of some complete hubs, steering arms, drive shaft, and they're for drum brakes. So that's actually what this car had originally, and that I rebuilt when I first did the car. So I'm going to set it back on, hopefully be able to tie it down and get the wheels on. Side is done, flip across to the other and try and get that sorted. Bearing in mind my alarm goes up in 15 minutes to wake up, so sit back. The Mini is back on its own wheels. I'm going to leave that there and I'm going to work, and then when I come home do a few more jobs. Right, this little Mini is going outside. So this morning I put the wheels on. I've just put the steering wheel back on. It's placed at the bottom and it's held together with this screwdriver. So when I turn the wheels turn. It's sitting unbelievably high at the front, but it hasn't got any engine in there, so there's no weight. So once the engine goes in, that weight will come down, and I'm not keeping these wheels on, so it's just a temporary get it out the garage job. So let's see how we get on. Hopefully I can get it out, sweep the garage out, give the car a quick brush off with some air, and then get it back in, ready for the next job. The garage, and it is looking fantastic. I'm really actually quite impressed with myself, to be honest. So next job to tackle is this mess. So I'm going to sweep it all to the front, sweep it up into the bin, and then tidy some of this stuff so I can get some access around the back, because what I want to do is get the engine over here and then start working on the engine. I also want to get some stuff in these cupboards because although this one here is got a few bits and pieces in, the other two are just empty. So if I can get some stuff in there, it makes life a lot easier and there's less cost. Right, that's better. Walkway through, and Mini's back in the garage. So good to see it back on wheels. And what's great about this Mini, the only Mini I've ever owned at the moment that doesn't leak oil. But yeah, I've still got heaps of stuff I need to sort out, but I've got the subframe there. So the hubs are going to come off this subframe, and then the brakes, the hubs, the discs are going to go into here. I'm going to refurbish it all. Then I've got the bonnet, the grille and the door that needs to go back on. I've still got to do the patch of rust down here. So that panel I've got to replace. The exhaust is off and some of the heater hoses are there as well. Overall, I'm absolutely buzzing. Wheels are going to come. Yeah, I've got to put the brake and the clutch master cylinder back in. I've got to plumb the brakes in down to this hole. You can see it just there. And then that goes a flexi hose from there to the hub or to the caliper. The brake pipe then goes down here across the front where I've put this nice little handy bracket or clip. Goes round and then to that little hole there, again down to the caliper. The subframe is in and it's absolutely solid. That's my only issue at the moment because I've got no weight on it. It's quite a bit of a gap, but it looks pretty good. I'm super chuffed. It's rolled out and then back in. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this content, please click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. That's it. See you later.